This quick guide will teach you how to add an already installed game to your Steam library. Whether you've downloaded a game from another source or moved it to a new location on your computer, adding it to Steam can help you take advantage of features like automatic updates, community forums, and in-game overlays. So, let's dive into the steps to seamlessly integrate your game into Steam. First, make sure you have the Steam app open on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll need to download and install it from the official Steam website. Once you've got the Steam app up and running, you're ready to get started. Next, look at the top left corner of the Steam app window. You'll see the Steam logo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will open a new window where you can adjust various preferences for your Steam account and app. Within the Settings window, you should find an option labeled Storage. Click on Storage to proceed. This section is where you can manage the different locations Steam uses to store game files on your computer. It's crucial to select the right storage location, especially if your game files are not in the default Steam library folder. Now, focus on the storage window you've opened. You'll notice a drop-down menu here. Click on this drop-down menu to view a list of all the drives connected to your computer. If your game files are located on a drive not yet added to Steam, this is where you can manage that. To proceed, click on Add Drive. This will prompt you to browse your computer's directory. Here, you'll need to navigate through your folders to find the exact location where your game files are stored. It's important to ensure that you are selecting the folder containing the installed game files themselves, not just a shortcut or a different part of the directory. Once you've found the correct folder, select it. By doing this, you're telling Steam where to look for the game files. This action effectively adds the drive or folder to your Steam library, allowing the app to recognize and manage the game as if it were originally installed through Steam. And there you have it. Your game should now be added to Steam. You can check this by going back to your library in Steam and seeing if the game appears there. If it does, you can start taking advantage of all the features Steam provides, like game updates and community interactions. If you run into any issues, double-check the folder you selected to ensure it's the correct one with all necessary game files. Sometimes, verifying the integrity of the game files through Steam can help resolve any potential hiccups. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.